me, Rosemary Gaming, and today we will be playing Card Mystery with King Tut Jr. 320. Say hi! Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And join the Rosie Squad today. And turn on notifications if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, guys, let's go! Let's go, guys. Come on, King. Did you fall? Ah, I fell.
I'm going to plant.
Teleport? Yeah, let's wait for this girl to go. Okay. Jump. Okay, jump. Okay, we did it. We did it. Okay, let's wait. Jump. Okay, we did it. Oh, the moving blocks. I missed it. Okay, let's get up here. Wait, let's get over here. Oh, I cheated. That's not good though. I feel kind of mean. Okay, let's go up here.
No!
Ah, shh. Ow, my ear bub. We call him Bub for short. Oh! Well, let's see if we can get really good at this. Okay. There's a bunch of chaos going down there. I don't need to wear a mask. No, I don't. What? I don't understand. Y'all fight. I don't know. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, let's get up here. Where do we have to go? Right here. Oh, this is kind of easy. I'm not really good on PC. Oh man, I fell. Okay. Okay, let's go up here. Jump here. Wait for a block. Oh, we did it. We did it. Okay, we're on the second level. Right? Okay, yes. We have to check on this.
No
Jump
way.
on this second one. Okay, we did it. Oh, okay. Oh. See? We did it! We're on the third level, guys! Hopefully we don't die. Ah! Yee. Okay, let's go up here. Oh. No. Don't tell people you're gonna kill them. That's mean. Be quiet! Stop it, King! Stop it. That's not nice. That is not nice. Shh. This is a tap above the head. Stop! Alright, get out if you can't stop. Okay. Oh! Oh, my lord! My lord. Thank you. Okay, so that kind of glitched. That kind of backfired.
I'm just going to step with you.
No! Why does this happen to me? Shh! Stop! My ears, Nathan! Okay. Dead. Are you serious? You die, roach, bald head, no eye. They're fighting for no reason. This is my favorite color. This is my favorite color. Shh. You're hurting my ears, bub. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go up here. Okay. You just now said hi. What? Gummy bear.
I'm in my own.
Yeah,
I'm doing my own. No.
you're too little.
I'm just
You're too little. You're too little. Too little.
I'm just going to.
Too
I'm sketching.
little. Where'd I go? That's a weird angle. Ah, let's go. Bald. Ew. Her face is like all smushed. Like, need to fix your makeup. She will be dying though. That was so mean. Oh my gosh. I need to say that.
Stop.
I keep patting him on the head. We have to get 250. We have to get the infinite coin game pass to get that. Level 100. Brush. You said brush. Brush. Brush your teeth. Go to bed. I don't know. You almost fell off his chair. Yeah, dude. Well, guys, Karen hit my car. Wait, let's read this before I end this video. Karen hit my car. Karen, I am not a Karen. You look like it. You ran into me. Let's put a face. I want me to see emoji. Well, well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Press that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. And give me a thumbs up if you think this video was good. And join the Rosie Squad today and use star code Rosie when using Robux. It really helps me out, guys. Thank you. And I wish you guys a happy Friday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!